In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a task in Wrike, a powerful tool we often use to manage projects and tasks effectively. Understanding how to duplicate tasks can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently need to reuse similar task templates. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project space where your task is located. It's always a good idea to have a clear picture of the task you want to copy. This step ensures that the task is easily found and reduces any confusion during the process. Now, you'll need to locate the specific task you intend to duplicate. Remember, the easiest way to do this is by using the search bar at the top if you have a lot of tasks, or simply scrolling through your task list if your setup is more manageable. Having identified your task, click on it to open up the task view. With the task view open, look towards the top right corner of the window. There's a small symbol you'll want to click on. It's the three-dot icon, also known as the More Options menu. This step is crucial because it holds the key to copying your task. By clicking on this, you'll reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Duplicate, or sometimes just Copy. Clicking this tells Wrike to prepare a copy of your current task. But before we go any further, there are a few things we need to consider. Once you click Duplicate, a new window will pop up asking you what exactly you wish to include in the copy task. This is an essential step because depending on your needs, you might want to include task descriptions, attachments, or subtasks. Take a moment here to check or uncheck items based on what's necessary for your new task. After you've selected the items you want to carry over to the new task, you'll then decide where you'd like the copy task to live. Wrike will let you choose an appropriate folder or project for this duplicate. Carefully pick a location that makes sense for your workflow, making it easy to find and manage later. With everything set, what to include and where to put it, all you need to do is hit Duplicate. This step finalizes the copying process, and Wrike does the heavy lifting, creating an exact but independent version of your original task. Finally, review and make any necessary adjustments to the new task. It's a copy template, so feel free to update dates, assignees, or any specific details to ensure it fits seamlessly into your new project context. And there you have it. Copying a task in Wrike is as straightforward as that. This method is efficient and keeps your projects organized, streamlining your work process. Happy managing, and see you next time for more tips on getting the most out of Wrike.